Hello everyone, welcome to Imran, the Analyst. In this video, we will learn what PostgreSQL is and why data analysts should learn it. If you want to work with real-world data and become a strong data analyst, learning SQL and Postgres is extremely important. So let's start by understanding what Postgres actually is. Postgres is a powerful open source relational database management system. In simple words, it is a system used to store, manage, and retrieve data efficiently. Many companies store huge amounts of data such as customer information, sales transactions, and website activity. Postgres helps them organize and analyze this data using SQL queries. One reason PostgreSQL is very popular is that it is free, reliable, and extremely powerful for data analysis tasks. Let's discuss some key features of Postgres. Postgres has several important features. First, it is open source, which means anyone can use it for free. Second, it supports advanced SQL queries, which are very useful for data analysis. Third, it can handle very large datasets, which is essential when companies deal with millions of records. Another advantage is its strong security and reliability, which is why many organizations trust it for critical systems. Now, let's discuss some Postgres in the data world. Postgres is widely used in the data industry. Many startups, tech companies, and enterprises use PostgreSQL to manage their data. It is also commonly used in data analytics, data warehousing, and reporting systems. Another reason analysts like Postgres is that it works well with tools like Python, programming, and business intelligence tools. Now let's discuss why data analysts should learn Postgres. There are several reasons why data analysts should learn Postgres. First, analysts often work with large datasets, and PostgreSQL is designed to handle large amounts of data efficiently. Second, SQL skills are one of the most demanded skills in the data industry. Third, PostgreSQL is widely used in data warehouses and analytics platforms. So, learning Postgres can significantly improve your career opportunities in data analytics. So, the next question arises: Postgres versus other databases. There are many databases systems available today. However, Postgres is known for its advanced features and strong SQL capabilities. Compared to many other databases, it provides better support for complex queries, analytics, and data processing. That is why many modern application and analytics systems prefer PostgreSQL. So, now let's discuss what tools work with Postgres. One of the biggest advantage of Postgres is that it integrates with many data tools. For example, Analysts can connect Postgres with Python for data analysis and automation. It can also connect with business intelligence tool to build dashboards and reports. Because of this flexibility, Postgres become a very powerful tool in the data analytics workflow. Let's discuss some real-world examples. Let's look at simple real-world example. Imagine a company that sells products online. All the information about customers, orders, and products is stored in the databases like Postgres. A data analyst can write SQL queries to answer questions such as what products sell the most, which cities had the most customer, what was the total revenue last month. This is exactly how analysts use Postgres in real-world business environment. Now let's discuss some career benefits. Learning Postgres can open many career opportunities. It is a key skill for roles like data analyst, data scientist, data engineer. Many companies for professionals who can extract insights from database using SQL. Many companies look for professionals who can extract insights from databases using SQL. So, learning Postgres is a strong step toward building a career in data analytics. Let's conclude this video. To summarize, Postgres is a powerful database system that helps organizations store, analyze large amount of data. For data analysts, learning Postgres is extremely valuable. It allows them to work with real datasets and generate meaningful insights. Hopefully in the next videos of this series, we will start learning Postgres step by step. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Imran the Analyst. Hopefully in the next video, we will install PostgreSQL and start writing our first SQL query. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.